What is the recommended cooking time for an 8-pound spiral ham?
Hello, kitchen enthusiasts. Today, we're going to discuss a crucial aspect of preparing a mouthwatering dish, the recommended cooking time for an 8-pound spiral ham. Understanding the right cooking time can ensure your ham turns out perfectly cooked, juicy, and flavorful. Remember, overcooked ham can be dry, while undercooked ham can pose health risks.
What is a spiral ham?
A spiral ham refers to a ham that's been pre-cut into thin slices, usually by a machine. These slices are cut in a continuous spiral, making the ham easy to serve. It's often sold pre-cooked, so the goal is to heat it up thoroughly without drying it out. This heating process can be a bit tricky, so let's explore the best ways to do it.
How long should I cook my 8-pound spiral ham?
Here comes the crucial part of the discussion. A general rule of thumb is to heat your spiral ham for about 10 to 12 minutes per pound at an oven temperature of 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius. For an 8-pound spiral ham, the estimated cooking time should therefore be around 80 to 96 minutes. However, since oven temperatures can vary, it's important to check the internal temperature of the ham to ensure it's properly heated.
How do I check the internal temperature of the ham?
To check the internal temperature of the ham, you'll need a meat thermometer. Insert the thermometer into the thickest part of the ham, not touching bone or fat. The ideal internal temperature should be 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius, for a fully cooked spiral ham.
Any tips for keeping my ham moist?
To keep your ham moist during the heating process, it's recommended to cover the ham with foil before placing it in the oven. Additionally, you can add a little water, wine, or juice to the bottom of the roasting pan to help maintain moisture levels. Basting the ham periodically during the heating process can also help keep it juicy and prevent it from drying out. Cooking a perfect spiral ham is a balance between heating it thoroughly and maintaining its moisture. Armed with these guidelines, you're now ready to prepare an 8-pound spiral ham that's delicious and enjoyable. We hope this video has been helpful, and we wish you all the best on your culinary journey. Happy cooking!